Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on recommended searches on your Pinterest app. We will go to turn on this mark on know how we can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on saved, then you come to next window here or your profile, then you just go up, you click here on app, then it's going to show for your window like this, then you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here and you just click here on notifications, then you come to a notifications window and you just click here on by email, then it's going to take you to email notifications and you just come here to about searches and topics, then you click here on recommended searches here, and like you say this color show for us, that's main recommended searches to about searches and topics. It's start on now. So that's all. I wish you know I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you next video.